Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Oil prices surge amid concerns of escalating conflict in Gaza, while Carl Icahn raises suspicions of foul play in his short bet against malls. U.S. Steel attracts reasonable potential partners for bids, and Nvidia's accelerated pace spells trouble for its competitors. Medicare Advantage plans with top ratings decline, GLP-1 drugs expected to have limited impact on the diabetes device market. Amphenol agrees to acquire PCTEL at $7 per share. Stay tuned after the short ad break for more on these headlines and notable earnings after Monday's close. Energy stocks had their best week since June, as oil prices surged due to Israel's advance into Gaza and protests across the Middle East. The Biden administration also enforced Russian oil sanctions for the first time, impacting prices. Crude oil prices rose, with NYMEX crude ending at $87.69 per barrel and Brent crude closing at $90.89 per barrel. Top gainers in energy and natural resources included APA Corporation, Marathon Oil, EOG Resources, and Devon Energy. Decliners included LAC, BW, and UROY. Source: Barcard.com.
Billionaire investor Carl Icahn has expressed concerns about potential manipulation of his short bet against malls. Over the past 4 years, Icahn has maintained a short position on commercial mortgage-backed securities using credit default swaps. He believes that his counterparts are colluding against him, creating a rigged market involving billions of dollars. While Icahn initially profited from his mall bet during the COVID-19 pandemic, it has recently resulted in losses for his company, Icahn Enterprises. Specifically, he suspects market manipulation linked to Crossgates Mall in New York. When approached for comment on this matter, Morgan Stanley declined to provide any statement.
ArcelorMittal and Stelco are rumored to be teaming up with Nippon Steel and Nucor respectively to submit bids for U.S. Steel. This increases the likelihood of competition for Cleveland-Cliffs in its bid. The sales process is well underway, and an announcement of the winning bidder is expected soon. Cliffs has signed a non-disclosure agreement and will actively participate in the process. Additional information may be disclosed during U.S. Steel's upcoming earnings call on October 26th and 27th.
According to Bank of America, Nvidia's future appears promising as it ramps up its product releases and solidifies its position against competitors. Analyst Vivek Arya predicts that Nvidia will introduce chipsets for various applications, including artificial intelligence infrastructure, in 2024 and 2025. Additionally, Arya suggests that Nvidia may be one of the pioneering companies to bring AI accelerators to smaller nanometer processors. With an expanding range of products and a faster launch cadence, Nvidia is expected to surpass rivals AMD and Intel in the data center market. It is estimated that the company's revenue from data centers will reach $42 billion, $70 billion, and $88 billion over the next 3 years.
The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services has reported a decline in the number of Medicare Advantage contracts with prescription drug coverage that received 4 or more star ratings. In 2024, only 42% of MAPD contracts achieved this rating, compared to 51% in 2023 and 68% in 2022. The CMS also revealed that approximately 74% of people are currently enrolled in MAPD contracts with 4 or more stars. These star ratings are crucial for individuals to make informed healthcare decisions during Medicare's open enrollment period starting on October 15th. The decline in high-rated plans is partly due to adjustments made by the CMS over the years, including the removal of a disaster provision related to COVID-19. This year's decrease also reflects a statistical adjustment that could impact plans' annual revenue by $800 million, according to McKinsey. Notably, nonprofit organizations have outnumbered for-profit plans with 4 or higher stars by a margin of 56% to 36%. Market players such as United Health Group, Humana, CVS Health, and others operate within the Medicare Advantage market and may be affected financially based on their star ratings. For instance, CVS Health projected an impact on its operating income after its MA members in highly rated plans decreased significantly from last year.
Piper Sandler predicts that GLP-1 drugs will not have a significant impact on the market for diabetes devices, particularly for type 1 diabetes. Despite recent declines in device stocks, Piper sees this as an opportunity for investors. Their top recommendations are Dexcom, Insulet, and Tandem Diabetes Care. While GLP-1s may reduce the demand for type 2 diabetes devices, Piper believes that the market size is currently underestimated. They anticipate growth in users of insulin pumps and continuous glucose monitors. Regarding type 1 diabetes, Piper remains confident that GLP-1s will not have a substantial effect on the market. The investment bank advises investors to be patient and has set price targets for Dexcom, Insulet, and Tandem.
Amphenol has agreed to acquire wireless solutions provider PCTEL for $7 per share in an all-cash deal worth $139.7 million, representing a 50% premium to PCTI's closing price on Friday. The transaction is expected to close in Q4 or early 2024. Lake Street Capital Markets and Morgan, Lewis & Bockius LLP are serving as financial advisor and legal counsel respectively. Amphenol's strategic prowess and shares re-rating have been noted, while UBS predicts a shift in industrial stock metrics towards organic growth.
In market news, ELS, which stands for Equity Lifestyle Properties, and SYAF, which stands for Sasol Limited, are two stocks to keep an eye on. Pfizer is being recommended as a secure source of income and a valuable investment opportunity. The ClearBridge Large Cap Growth Strategy Q3 2023 Portfolio Manager Commentary offers valuable insights. Microsoft is considered a leading stock in the field of artificial intelligence at the right price. Oil prices are on the rise due to concerns about an escalating conflict in Gaza. New York City's finance job market has reached its highest point in 20 years, but there's a catch.
Thank you for joining us on today's episode of the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay inspired, and we'll catch you next time. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.